Good morning, children. Welcome you all once again. This is your second chemistry class. In the previous video, we have discussed about the matter and their classification. Today, we will read the characteristics of matter. So, let's start. You know that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Here, you can see three diagrams. These are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So you can see solid, it has definite shape and size and volume, but in case of liquid it doesn't have any shape or size, but it has definite volume. And in gas it neither has any shape or size or volume. Matter is not continuous and smooth as it looks like. How? Let's see. You can see in case of a bowl, it is a solid. The molecules are closely packed, but the next diagram, it is water, where the molecules are loosely packed. And you can see how they are very small particles, and you cannot see these small molecules in your naked eye. You can see in the microscopic view. So the particles of matter have space between them. Let's see how. Three examples you can see. First one, solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, the molecules have less space between them, but in case of liquid, they have more space as compared to solid. And third one, the maximum space in gases as compared to solid and liquid. That's why solid have definite shape and size, liquids don't have any shape or size, and gas neither have any shape or size nor volume. So with very little space in between the particles, solid have pretty compact structure. That means the solids have a compact structure. In the solids, the molecules are very closely packed and they have less molecular space. In case of liquid, the molecules are loosely packed. Suppose molecular space between the particles are more and they have loosely packed structures. Particles of matter are continuously moving. So you can see in solid, the particles are moving slowly as compared to liquid and gas. In liquid, the particles are also moving, but in case of gas, the particles are moving very fastly as compared to the other two states. So in solid and liquid, the particles are moving slow as compared to gas. In solid, they vibrate about their own position. That means they can't change their own position. At one place only they are moving, means they are vibrating. In fact, the particles in solids don't move from their spot, they simply vibrate about their own position. While the faster movement in liquid and the gases explains how they take up the shape of a container, while solids cannot. So in case of liquids and gases, they can move from their place to here and there. That's why they can take the shape of the container here where you can put, but the solid cannot put the shape of the container because they cannot change their spot. Particles of matter attract each other. I told you about the intermolecular force of attraction. In gases, maximum space, but intermolecular space of attraction is very low, whereas you can see in liquid less space and more specific intramolecular space of attraction, and in case of gas maximum space and low molecular force of attraction. And here you can see the solid which is the least space and strongest attraction as compared to liquid and gas. So this much for today's class. So you can in detail you read about the characteristics of matter which is given in your book. Okay, thank you.